Gift Ostallos Siziba recently made headlines at the Progressive Alliance Africa Conference. He declared, "Zimbabwe's democratic struggle and future are supported by progressive parties. We believe Zimbabwe will thrive under President Chamisa." Let's unpack what this means. Zimbabwe has been a battleground for democratic values for decades. The struggle has not just been about changing leaders, but about instituting real, tangible democratic reforms. Ostallos Siziba stepping into the ring signals a fresh, albeit challenging phase in this ongoing fight. His abrupt departure from the May Day celebrations earlier this year, though controversial, underscores a deep-seated urgency for political expression and reform. Now, why Chamisa? Nelson Chamisa represents a younger generation of leaders, a stark contrast to the old guard. His leadership promises a focus on inclusivity, economic revival through innovative policies, and most importantly, a robust democratic framework that could redefine Zimbabwe's global standing. But as with any political shift, the road is fraught with hurdles. Progressive parties in Zimbabwe are not just supporting figures, they are essential architects of the envisioned democratic framework. Their role? To ensure that the values of democracy are not just preached, but practiced. This involves everything from ensuring fair elections to creating economic policies that benefit all, not just the elite. As we look towards the future, the question isn't just about whether Zimbabwe will thrive under Chamisa, but how the journey will be navigated. It involves every citizen, every voice, and every vote. It's about building a Zimbabwe where everyone can say truly that they see their hopes reflected in the halls of power. So what do you think? Is Zimbabwe ready for this new era under Chamisa? Can we, together, overcome the hurdles and embrace a future dictated by democratic values and progressive governance? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear, the conversation has started, and it's one that involves all of us. Until next time, keep the conversations going and let your voice be heard. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live, YTS.